Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. We are in the module 1 and for this lesson, the lecture topic is design flow. So when it comes to design flow, basically first we need a data source to create any report or any dashboard, right? So for that we have to connect to a data source. From there we build data views. So in the data views we can, as per the requirement, we can enhance the report or view, right? So based on the requirement, either it can be a report or dashboard, or it can be a story, right? So first, basically from a data source, you have to build a views or report, right? From that report, it can be a single report, it can be multiple reports, it can be merged into a dashboard, right? And then it can be published to the business. Similarly, sometimes multiple reports and dashboards can be in a sequential manner can be present to the user through a story, right? So this is how the design flows in the Tableau. Thanks for watching this.